Ever wondered how to make a healthy caprese salad with balsamic glaze in just 15 minutes? Today, we're diving into the world of quick and easy gourmet cooking, perfect for those bustling schedules. Stay tuned to find out how to create this delightful dish. Before we get started, gather all the necessary ingredients. We're going to need some ripe, juicy tomatoes. Tomatoes are not just delicious, but they're also packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Next, grab some fresh, creamy mozzarella cheese. This cheese adds a dose of dairy, providing you with essential calcium and protein. Let's not forget the fresh basil leaves, which add a fragrant aroma and a punch of flavor to our salad. Basil is rich in vitamin K and has anti-inflammatory properties. We'll also require some high-quality extra virgin olive oil, a heart-healthy fat that's great for overall health. A pinch of salt and pepper to season, but remember, moderation is key. Lastly, we need balsamic vinegar for our glaze. This sweet, tangy vinegar is low in calories and can aid digestion. Now that we have all our ingredients, it's time to start preparing the salad. First things first, let's get our ingredients ready. We'll start with our tomatoes. Make sure you've got some fresh, ripe ones on hand. Give them a good rinse under cool water to remove any dirt or debris. Once they're clean, pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Now we're going to slice them. Aim for about 1/4 inch thick slices. Just be careful with your fingers, we want to keep this a blood-free recipe. Next up, our mozzarella. Now this is a key player in our caprese salad, so we're looking for some top-quality stuff. Ideally, you want fresh, soft mozzarella. When slicing the mozzarella, aim for the same thickness as your tomatoes. Again, watch those fingers. Our third main ingredient is fresh basil. Give it a gentle rinse under cool water, then pat it dry. Now we're not going to chop it up like you might usually do. Instead, we're going to tear it. This method helps to preserve the aromatic oils in the leaves, giving our salad a more intense flavor. Now let's talk about the balsamic glaze. This sweet, tangy reduction is what takes our caprese salad to the next level. Start by pouring a cup of balsamic vinegar into a small saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it's dissolved. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. You want it to reduce by about half, which will take around 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent it from burning. Once it's reduced, remove it from the heat and let it cool. It will thicken up into a glaze as it cools. With our ingredients all prepped, we can now start assembling our salad. Now comes the fun part, assembling the salad. Think of this as the grand finale, the moment where all of our prep work pays off. Let's start with our vibrant, ripe tomatoes. Place them on your serving dish, spacing them out evenly. Next, it's time for the mozzarella. Nestle each slice snugly next to a tomato. It's like they're best friends, always side by side. Now don't forget about our fresh basil. Tuck a leaf between each tomato mozzarella pair. It's not just for looks. This little green herb brings a burst of flavor that perfectly complements our other ingredients. You're doing great. Now we're going to add a little bit of that Mediterranean flair with a generous drizzle of olive oil. It's not just any olive oil though, make sure you're using extra virgin olive oil. It has a fruitier flavor that will really elevate our salad. You don't need a lot, just enough to lightly coat the tomatoes and mozzarella. Alright, it's time for the piece de resistance, the balsamic glaze. This is where the magic happens. The sweet, tangy glaze is going to make our salad sing. Drizzle it over the top, zigzagging from one side of the dish to the other. Don't be shy, let it pool in the crevices. It's okay if it's a little messy, that's part of the charm. Finally, a pinch of sea salt and a grind of black pepper to finish it off. These seasonings will enhance the flavors and give our salad a bit of a kick. Take a moment to admire your work. Look at the vibrant colors, the glossy glaze, the inviting arrangement. It's not just a salad, it's a work of art. And there you have it, a beautiful, healthy caprese salad. Every bite is a symphony of flavors, a celebration of simple, fresh ingredients. You've just created a masterpiece. And the best part? It didn't take hours to make. So go ahead, dig in, your taste buds will thank you. This salad is best enjoyed fresh, but it can also be stored for later. If you're thinking about saving some for another day, simply place it in an airtight container and pop it in the fridge. The balsamic glaze helps keep it flavorful even after a day or two. However, remember to add the basil leaves just before serving to keep them fresh and vibrant. This caprese salad is a versatile dish that pairs well with a variety of meals. It's a delightful companion to grilled chicken or fish, bringing a refreshing contrast to these hearty proteins. If you're a pasta lover, try it alongside a bowl of spaghetti aglio e olio. The salad's fresh flavors balance the garlic and oil beautifully. And if you're going for a lighter meal, it's simply perfect with a crusty baguette and your favorite white wine. Whether you enjoy it now or later, this salad is sure to impress. So there you have it, a quick and healthy caprese salad with balsamic glaze. We kicked off our culinary journey with a rundown of the fresh and wholesome ingredients needed to bring this Italian classic to life. Then we dove into the preparation stage, slicing and dicing to perfection. We layered ripe tomatoes with creamy mozzarella and aromatic fresh basil, creating a vibrant and mouth-watering display. We then drizzled our homemade balsamic glaze over the top, adding a tangy sweetness that perfectly complements the salad's fresh flavors. And finally, we served up a few creative suggestions for presenting this dish, whether as a standalone star or a supporting side. The beauty of this recipe not only lies in its simplicity, but also in its versatility. So don't hesitate to whip up this quick, healthy, and delicious caprese salad with balsamic glaze in your kitchen. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, healthy cooking can be quick and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue to bring you fresh, quick, and healthy recipes. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our culinary journey. We have an array of delightful dishes lined up for you. Don't let the fun stop here. Share this video with your friends and spread the joy of cooking. Who knows, you might start a salad revolution in your circle. We'd love to hear about your culinary adventures. Did you try the caprese salad? How did it turn out? Any personal tweaks to the recipe? Drop your comments below. Stay tuned for more quick and healthy recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.